Alright folks, thanks for checking in from Topia.com. This is going to be a rare morning update on the morning of March 24th, Thursday, 2011. I just want to get to a couple points that we're dealing with right now for the storm that's been a really tricky storm to forecast for. It's now exiting off the coast. Still some steady snows in southeastern New England. Another band lagging out behind southeast of Albany. That will help your snowfall accumulations a bit in southern New England. And we're beginning to see a Neuralon trough come into, whoa, there goes my radar. And we're beginning to see a Neuralon trough come into play across central and southern Maine, which will become more prominent through the day. Now, seems as though my forecast verified quite well on the low end for most areas, and people always get mad when my forecast verify on the low end, because, you know, I know you guys, you're snow geese, but, you know, you do need to stay conservative, and sometimes you end up being right. So, let's take a look at what's happened with the winds and the storm. We were seeing isentropic lifting and warm advection ahead of the precipitation, which was sluggish to arrive in southern New England. But as the precipitation moved in last night, the winds started switching more out of the northeast. Now they're steady, pretty much steady out of the north. And then if you look off to the western portion of your screen of this video, you can see that the winds are coming out of the northwest. Okay, in the Ohio Valley, and beginning to happen in the Appalachians. Once those northwest winds break the Appalachian border, they will have no problem going up I-95 and allowing for some additional snow showers through the day. Let's talk about what happens with this trough and with the storm. Okay, here we are out to, here's the storm passing offshore by midday today at the latest. And you're saying, okay, well, where's my Neuralon trough? Well, it's already developed in here. Okay, it's already happened. But for the guidance to pick up on it, what you need to go is go out on it through time. Then you see snow showers starting to develop, and then that pushes through, and this is definitely the classic look of a Neuralon trough through the day today, into the evening hours, and maybe potentially even into the morning hours, or much of the day on Friday. Okay? And that should definitely give your folks in southern New Hampshire who are crying because they didn't get any snow from my forecast, you're coding to 2 inches. Let's take a look at snowfall cumes. I'm sure this map has already been plastered into your little heads plenty of times, but let's just take a look one more time. Coding to 2 inches for south coast of New England, 2 to 5 for most of interior southern New England, coding to 2 central New Hampshire. Mountains of southwest New England get 5 or 6 inches, maybe 7, and then 5 to 9 inches across northern Pennsylvania, southern New York State, central eastern Great Lakes. There could be several mountains are likely to get 10 or 15 inches out of this whole deal in the Poconos, okay? Which is why I say local 10 plus, and there could be some other spots that get 12 or 14. Okay, it for now. Have a great day. Stay tuned and stay safe.